guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust or amend an HST return that you already filed. So I will link this down below, the login page. So once you're here, all you need to do is to scroll down and then click My Business Account. And then once you're here, just choose how you want to sign in. If it's through a sign-in partner or directly with the CRA sign-in, I'm going to choose this because this is how I sign in. And then once you're here, just enter your username and password and click sign in. And then click next. So once you're here, just scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see GST HST and then click the link. Click adjust a return. Choose the period that you want to adjust and then click next. After that, it will allow you to adjust the return. I'm not going to go through everything here, but it's basically like you're filing a whole new HST return, but you're just adjusting the one that you previously filed. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.